Okay, baby, what you need to do now is cross-check the previous one that you solved. Do you understand? More especially that LCF. Like if you see this ACF now, you always the best formula to use or the best method. Always apply the laws of prime factors. Yes, it's true. You apply laws of prime factors in all of the questions, both ACF and the LCM. I think it's going to help a lot because if you watch very well now, these are the laws of prime factors I applied. Do you understand? Because if you start using normal factors or division method, you might be mistaking it. So you can see now this is ACF of the following: A 12 16 we're having 4, B 45 60 and 150 we're having 15. Then that of C, I hope you can see that of C, we have this. All right, C is 8, that is ACF. Then D is 36. Then the LCM of the following: always apply prime factors. That is the best advice I do, tell my students. Apply prime factor. It's going to help a lot. Take highest powers of all primes. This one is 360. Even if you use subdivision method, it simply means that if you are dividing 212, the prime factors of 212, 202 and 236, you multiply everything. But when you apply prime factors, it's also similar to it. So in this aspect, we're having 1,262,428. The LCM of 6, 8, 15, 16 and 24. The answer is 240. And the last but not the least, 405 and 900. The LCM is 8,100. LCM simply means the lowest common multiple. And that means after dividing, you times everything. Do you understand? That is when you're applying the laws of subdivision method. But if you want to use prime factors, it's very, very important. Once you use prime factors, you find the prime factors of the following individual numbers. Then you take the highest powers and multiply them. And that becomes your answer, okay?